Hey guys, I'm Vera, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to start with acrylics. If you've never painted before, or if you're a beginner and you want to know what to buy for the beginning, so this is the right video for you. I'm going to show you step by step what to buy. That's it. What to buy and how to get started. Acrylics are perfect for beginners. They dry very quickly and it's really fun to paint with them. So let's get started. Well, for the beginning you need paints, of course, and most of the people will tell you buy the basic colors and you can go on from there and to mix all your colors. But of course it's true, but as a beginner you shouldn't do it. It's too hard maybe. So let's start. You need the first 5 colors are the basic. You have white, we have black, and we have the 3 basic colors. We have primary yellow, primary blue, and magenta. That's the basics. So these 5 colors, can you see them? Yes, I can see them. These are the 5 colors. And what I do, I buy also colors that are already ready and mixed. So because if you mix colors with acrylics, they get dry very easily and very fast, and if you need exactly the same color again, it's very hard to mix it again. So you don't have to start by color mixing. You can buy a ready one. So I buy turquoise, and I make portraits, so I buy burnt sienna, and I buy, for example, a skin tone color. They're ready to use. I use them, and sometimes I put some other color on them and go on from there. But of course I know also how to mix colors, so I will make some videos to teach you how to mix colors, like how to mix turquoise and how to mix skin tones. So that's the colors. Now after you bought these 5 basic colors and maybe 2-3 more colors that you need for the beginning that you like, maybe it's special blue, or I don't know, kind of green if you like, or brown. Whatever you like, you can buy it and you can start painting. What you need more are brushes, of course. And you need only 3 basic brushes. I would tell you to buy only synthetic brushes. And they look like this. You know, if you do this, the hair goes back. You see? It jumps back like this here also. These are the synthetic brushes. And you need only 3 basic ones for the beginning. You need a big flat one. This one is size 18 or 20. That's for the big areas to paint. Well, you need also a filbert brush. It looks like this. Middle one. And for the small details, you need a round one. This one is size 0 or size 2 about. And it's for the details. That's a small round one. These 3 brushes are enough for the beginning. You can also, of course, you can buy bigger one, a round one in a bigger size than the smaller one. It depends what kind of surface you have, how big it is, or another size of a filbert brush. That's the brushes. You don't need more. It's more than enough for the beginning. So what you need more is a palette, kind of palette. Well, we have this palette. All of you know it. It's from plastic. The point is, the moment the color is dry, the paint is dry, so you can't clean it anymore. So you have to work on it again and again. And I don't like it, but you can use it. You can also use just a normal plate you have at home, you know, from porcelain, like this. And you can use it. As I said, the moment the color is dry, you can clean it. You can't really clean it, so it's not much fun. You can always work on it, make another layer, but it's not so comfortable for me anyway. Well, I like to use paper plates like this. If you do, I don't know, barbecue or something like this, maybe you use them and then you can take them. And the moment they are full with color, just throw them away and take a new one. So that's my favorite. Exactly. And you can also use like from plastic. I don't like to use it, but you can do it. Whatever surface you have, or to make a palette from it, use it. Whatever comfortable for you. So you need also a surface to paint on. And most of you know, you think you need canvas. You have to buy canvas. Canvas look like this. That's a big one. You have different sizes. It's with a frame in the back. And it's really expensive if you buy it. And it takes also place at your home. Well, for the beginning, I recommend you to buy just a block of paper. What's very important, the paper has to be more than 300 grams. It looks like this. That's the brand is not important, but 300 grams, and it's very thick. The paper is very thick, so because we're working with water, so we don't want the paper to get broken, and it's not nice to work on a thin paper. That's why you need something thicker. What's also, here I have a painting of, I did it with watercolor, but it's the same, you can do it with acrylics. What's important is all around here it's glued to the block, you know. So don't take the paper out, just paint on it. And when you're finished, then just take the paper out and hang it or do whatever you like with the painting. So you can paint on paper, or you can use a canvas board. It looks like this. It's canvas on it, and in the back it's just a board. It's very, very light, very easy to use. You have it in different sizes. I can show you some sizes. You see you have small ones. You have, for example, I can show you some paintings. You have it round. It's very cute, I think, when it's round. And you have also this size, like you have, it's like a square and something a little bit bigger, you see? And I have this two here. It's also with acrylics, of course, and it's also a canvas board. And you see, if I put all of them together, they're very, very light. It's very light, and they don't take much place. And I have 5 paintings here. And if I use just one canvas like this, it takes more place, you know, to store it. So that's a good solution for the beginning. You can use it. Well, we need some, we use water, of course, with acrylics, and we need a kind of glass or a jar. You can use something you have at home, you know, if you don't need it anymore, so you can wash it and to use it. Or you can use something like this from plastic, just the ones I use always, and I just throw it every 2-3 weeks. I just throw it away and I take a new one. Or you can use something like this. You can use it again and again. It depends how big your brushes are and how much water you need. You don't need much water. Another thing is important. If the water gets dirty very, very fast, because if you use, you know, dark color, and you don't need fresh water all the time. The water doesn't have to be, you know, clear. It's just dirty, and it's okay. It's normal. You can use it. You can, after you use black, you still can use white. You just wash your brush and just you wipe it up, and then you continue to paint. So you don't need fresh water all the time. Let's say once in an hour, if it takes you longer to paint, so you can change the water, but not every 5 minutes. What you need more is a piece of cloth that you can wipe your brush on it. You can take an old one, because the colors, they don't go out. Yes, you don't, you just stay. So be careful. Be careful also on your clothes, because if you paint with your nicest clothes, stains are going to stay. So take an old t-shirt maybe when you paint at the beginning. And as I said, you need a piece of cloth, or you can take just a kitchen paper for it, and you can wipe your brushes on it and just throw it away when you finish with your painting. Well guys, that's all you need to know how to start with acrylics. If you have some questions, you may write it down, and I will answer them. And just get started. Don't be afraid. It's really fun and it's nice to paint. And if you like to see some tutorials, just watch my channel. Thank you very much, and God bless.